Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can justify text in Adobe Photoshop. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Adobe Photoshop software on your personal computer and make sure to open the target project inside it. Now, you can see that I have two text layers on my canvas right now. If I double click on the first one, you can see that there is a box around the text and I am able to justify it to my liking. But if you double click on the text and it doesn't have a box around it, then you will need to convert it into paragraph text to justify it like the other one. For that, click on the type feature at the top of the screen and select Convert to Paragraph Text from the menu. Now, if you try to edit it, you can see that the box starts appearing. But the problem is that you will need to manually get rid of the paragraph spacing to justify it accordingly. To add a new text with a text box, simply select the text tool and then click and drag it onto the canvas. This will create a text box that you can easily justify by double-clicking on it and using the alignment options at the top. So that's basically how you can justify text in Adobe Photoshop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.